I move that we adjourn the session until 3 o'clock in the afternoon of Monday, June 2, 2025. So move, Mr. President.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Lawful Learning, where we make sense of the legal world one video at a time. I'm your guide on this journey through laws, rights, and everything in between. The impeachment process against Vice President Sara Duterte has recently gained significant momentum. Over one third of the House of Representative members endorsed an impeachment complaint against her, which is enough to fast track the process and send it directly to the Senate for a trial. This move was confirmed on February 5, 2025, with 215 lawmakers supporting the complaint. The impeachment complaints against Duterte are primarily based on allegations of misuse of confidential funds, betrayal of public trust, and other high crimes. The Senate will now act as an impeachment court to determine the validity of these charges. Now, what will happen to the impeachment when Senator Joel Villanueva moved to adjourn the session until Monday, June 2, 2025? When Senator Joel Villanueva moved to adjourn the session until Monday, June 2, 2025, it means that the impeachment proceedings will be temporarily suspended and the Senate will reconvene on that date to continue with the process. During the adjournment, the Senate will not be conducting any impeachment related activities, but the case will remain on the agenda for when the session resumes. This adjournment allows the senators to focus on other legislative matters and ensures that the impeachment process will continue without unnecessary delays once the session reconvenes. Is this some kind of tactic that will stall the impeachment process against VP Sara Duterte? It's possible that the adjournment could be seen as a tactic to delay the impeachment process, but it's also important to consider other factors. Senator Joel Villanueva mentioned that the impeachment process is long and tedious, and that the Senate has other legislative matters to attend to. The adjournment allows the Senate to focus on these other tasks and ensures that the impeachment process will continue without unnecessary delays once the session reconvenes. It's a complex situation, and the motivations behind the adjournment could vary. Do you think this move will significantly impact the overall timeline of the impeachment process? Comment down below.